everyone, welcome back to Python Power Up in video number 2. There will be no explanations today. This is Ali from MediaWeb and let's have fun. Actually, today is only fun, like we're just gonna have fun. Okay, so let's say we're gonna start with some projects. So let's start with the funniest one, in my opinion. Sorry if your opinion is the opposite. So project 1 will be the countdown timer. Let's say for I in range 5 to 0, he will start by 5 and end at 0. And we can write comma -1, which means decrease every loop by 1. Okay, then we put a colon, then we print the I variable, and after this we're gonna print blast off, or we can print, I can think of boom. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to run this code. You'll see 5 4 3 2 1 blast off, boom. See, it's just a simple funny game using the for loop. So this it feels like a game already, right? Yeah, and that's it. So let's see my project 2. What do you think project 2 will be about? I want to have fun with creating the projects today. So let's say password try system. What is the password try system? I create an empty, what variable, open double quotation, press enter. I leave the quotation empty, okay, because it's an empty variable, and I write while password not equal to for example MediaWeb. Okay, so while password not equal to MediaWeb, okay, wait a minute. Okay, while password not equal to MediaWeb, we forgot the colon, of course. Let's write password equal input enter password. Okay, and then we're gonna print wrong password because it's not equal to MediaWeb. Also, I wrote the print here wrong. Okay, and when the loop breaks means that he have access granted. Okay, you can say access granted to the system, and that's it. Let's try. Enter password. Let's say Python. No. Let's say Replit. No. So that's wrong. Let's say MediaWeb. Wrong password, access granted to the system. I think we need to remove the wrong password part. We can say good luck. Okay, and we don't have to put it here. Let's Control X, Control V. So when I run the code, it will say good luck, enter password. See? So when I enter password, I write MediaWeb, the correct password. It will start or go right ahead to grant me access to the system. Okay, and that's it. This is a real logic we are doing here, and it will be very amazing. I promise you. You're going to learn more throughout the videos to come, and also through the previous videos, we were doing pretty fine, and I'm upgrading my setup in the in the series number 5 or 6, I think, I would like to show you my face. I would like to appear in the camera and create it like a really professional video, but I like to start step by step. Okay, so this is a real logic. Let's go to project number 3. Let's make this project about spam messages, or let's say spam message printer. Okay, let's say if I want to spam you with one message that will be printed many times, I can say for I in range, open bracket, write 10, let's put a colon, print spam, or let's write subscribe to MediaWeb. I will spam you with my channel. If I run this code, let's enter here MediaWeb. If I entered MediaWeb, subscribe to MediaWeb, I will spam you so much. What if I want to control the number that the spam will go on with? Let's write X. Okay, and before the for loop here, we're gonna say how many times do you want to be spammed? Okay, as if that is a question. So if I entered here MediaWeb, how many times do you want to be spammed? Let's say 20. So here's the 20, subscribe to MediaWeb. What if I changed this text to be how many times do you love MediaWeb? Alright, let's run this code. MediaWeb. I will play it safe and say, for example, 13 or 14. I don't know, let's say it. So he printed 14, subscribe to MediaWeb. See? So loops are power. They are very powerful. And I just want to make this video, those projects, short and funny. So that's it for today. And see you in the next one.